Hello and welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube for part 17?
Yes.
I lost track. Part 17, buying a house in Japan. So this is the, I forgot which house this is. It's the other $50,000 house with a bathroom upstairs. But as we came around the corner, we saw this storehouse that is apparently halfway attached to the house, but was somehow not included in any of the pictures.
And this wall here
The
looks
wall,
like it's
yeah. So,
leaning.
we'll at least give the house a chance, but there's a lot of shit that would have to be torn down. And it's also, the house is in the valley. So if for whatever reason this valley flooded, you might be in trouble. But again, they have really good stormwater management here. I mean, but... Okay. So, it's got the concrete paneling walls, a little outdoor light, so that, yeah, like the driveway is like non-existent. Like you'd have to redo this whole driveway. You'd never get a rollback in here to get, so this would have to be torn down and that's where you would build the garage, right? But it's just, so that's the well. It looks like a well. Oh, that's an old school hand crank. Wow. This is like a traditional storehouse. So this is like a mud and straw, like a stucco clay type building. No, it's locked. They got a padlock on it.
Bottom too.
And then what is this about? Like, I don't understand what the hell this is. Like a weed mat? Like they're trying to stop weeds from growing?
Probably. Maybe they were going to put some
Gravel.
gravel.
Yeah, and they got, oh boy.
Wow, this is
Yeah, this road goes all the way back in the back to some other farmer's house, I guess.
this is very interesting.
Oh, this is how all the other ones were last time too. Ooh, but so all this would have to be torn down. I mean, you're looking at 10, 20 grand to tear this shit down and haul it off.
Tires, wheels.
Yeah.
A lot of stuff to throw away.
So the property line, it ends in like a teardrop shape right there are those trees, and then it kind of swoops back around. So the only place you'd have to build a garage is right where this is right now. So the garage would be
Pretty small.
I mean, I don't know how, I think the property goes back a little bit, so you'd have to regrade this land back here. Like I think you own this way a little bit. So, I don't know. But yeah, the garage would be, you'd have to have a garage door for each bay because it would be pretty narrow. Oh, we lost Chris.
I'm snooping.
But yeah, they got a concrete foundation back here with drainage.
Yeah.
So, but I don't know if you could, I think part of this is if you could push this hill back, but
Yeah.
I mean, there'd be a lot of work just to tear out this concrete.
Well, it would almost have to be done.
Yeah, you'd have you'd have to tear it out. It's all wavy. So then the house, let's see here. Single pane windows, which is normal around here. So that's already a huge knockdown from the other house, which is double pane.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Because that doubles the amount of kerosene you're gonna burn in the summer. Ooh. Oh wow, they created like a little makeshift walkway here to stay out of the rain. Oh god, that mini split's trashed. Dude, Chris, look at the mini split. This thing's ancient.
Yep.
Oh man, I'm cold. Absolutely ancient. Yeah, all this would have to get torn down. You could put a secondary garage back here for your personal cars.
Yeah.
And connect it to the house, right?
Yeah.
Because then you would have a workshop and then a personal.
Yeah, it's disgusting there.
That's an old bathroom for like the farmer to wash off before going back in the house. Huh. Oh, are we Can we go inside? Sweet. Okay, all right, we're gonna go inside. Oh, this is the one that had the really nice, like, interior. We gotta put the slippers in. This is vacant, right?
Yeah,
It's
cute.
decorated. The slippers are not gonna stay on my feet, I can already tell. So they got a really nice entryway here. Some decorations left over. The stairs are really cool. I love the stairs. All right. Oh wow, there's furniture in here. Somebody, I'm assuming the owner passed away because it's like a snapshot. Like,
Wow.
wow.
Yeah, this is really nice. Like how low the couches are.
Mm-hmm. That's cool. So this is the living room. Oh, a little storage area. Then, so the kitchen's got a little dining area. The bookshelves left over. Oh wow. The stove's junk.
This seems to be a common thing.
Yeah.
Wow, those refrigerators are tiny.
Oh yeah. They're probably not enough amperage to like plug in a big one. I don't know what that is.
Looks like a little kid's kitchenette set, maybe?
Maybe, yeah, you might be right. I don't know. It's like a cupboard. Oh wow, there's like, that's crazy. They haven't, there's the old mini split. Okay. Oh, there's a door to the back here. There's the washing machine. There's still a washing machine in here. Then the bathroom. Got a pink bathtub, but it's got a bay window.
These bathrooms?
Yeah, there's 2 toilets in this one. They got the pink toilet side. Oh, they got a trash bag over it. That's interesting. And then they got a urinal.
Oh, yes. I like it.
Anyway, no matter how drunk you are, it's really hard to miss. And they got the vanity. And then more rooms here. A little hallway. Did we miss a room or? Oh, no. And the tatami. So this room here, because there's sliding doors, this is technically one room. You couldn't split this between. But
Yeah.
yeah, the tatami. There's no mini splits anywhere in this house either. It's got a
Really really cool painting.
Yeah, this was some kind of display. Like it, I don't know what was there. Then
Is this another room or is this storage?
storage. Yeah, just a bunch of like futon storage for the futons. I think storage. Go upstairs here. What is this? Oh, they have it blocked off.
Yeah, those are just the extra dressers.
Interesting. Oh, like somebody moved them.
Yeah.
Oh, these are steep. And there's no handrail on the right side. Oh no. Okay.
Look, they're leaned back. Too, like the stairs.
Do they feel really
A little bit.
settled? The foundation settled.
Yeah.
Got a nice bay window. Like, oh, except if you got rid of the storehouse, it'd be a pretty nice view.
Yeah, that would be.
Yeah. But see, you can kind of see how it's just weird because you're down in this valley, and those look like rice fields. So you have a lot of mosquitoes. The deck is better than the other house though, because it's a. Let's see. Let me go around. This one needs more work than the other one.
Yes. this for sure.
Oh, green. It's got a green toilet up here. Check that out.
Oh wow. This is interesting.
Yeah. It's got Western room here. Oh shit. The doors between the rooms are sliding doors, so you wouldn't really be able to split them up. But it's got the tatami up here. Let me see if I can get to the... Uh-oh. Oh, it was locked. Okay. Oh, there's a mini split over here. Where does it go? Oh, right there. Okay, so somebody's main bedroom was probably up here with the mini split.
A Japanese storehouse, which is where
Falls through.
people back in the day would hide the family jewels. Let's see if it opens. That's probably good. Ah, it's locked. No!
That's the keyhole thing.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't see any family jewels. Shucks. There's also some little sheds around here. You know, usually sometimes you get some pretty cool farm.
Parker's down there filming a video for his YouTube channel.
And I just interrupted.
Yeah, I don't think they heard us.
No, hopefully not.
This is definitely an interesting one that
Yes.
I definitely...
This is like a clothes rack.
Yeah, so they don't...
rods up here. And you hang your...
Most of them don't have dryers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That makes sense. That's what those things were on the railing at the last place. I didn't realize
Yeah.
that.
So I'm gonna get a dryer, even
Yes.
if I have to pay the extra.
I would.
But let's take a look on the inside, because really that is the major positive point of this house. It looks, you know, all right on the outside, not bad, not that good either. But inside's actually pretty nice. Let's take a look.
All right, so we are gonna. Oh. Shit. Damn. So I think we pretty much looked at everything. This place needs some work. But fits. Lock it. Close the curtain.
It honestly really does.
Yeah. And I'm not really liking the fact that it's just sitting in the valley by itself, and then obviously tearing all the storehouses down. But
I mean, overall, the inside is really nice, but I think the outside needs a lot of work.
yeah, so we're gonna shut this video down so we don't interrupt Parker's video. So we'll see you guys for the next one.